Assalamu Alaikum. I am Kaji Ahmed Dollar from Designer Dollar. I am welcoming you to my YouTube channel named Designer Dollar, and also I am so happy that you guys have showed me so much love in my recent videos. And here you can see this is my YouTube channel. And whoever guys don't know about myself, I am telling about myself that my name is Kaji Ahmed Dollar, and I am a professional graphic and motion designer come artificial intelligence enthusiast. So I teach people graphic design, video editing, motion graphics, and artificial intelligence stuff. So definitely it's worth if you subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon from this area. You can see it. Okay, let's say today's topic is I am going to show you, or I'm going to teach you how to get the prompts from any artificial intelligence images, or you can say the images that you want to reapply in your designs and you don't know how to generate the prompts from the images. So here comes today I am just definitely show you the perfect way to utilize the image, and you can also download the image, and again from the downloaded images you can easily swap between the prompts and the images. Okay, and now you can see this is my recent videos, and this video got views that 731. You can say that my subscriber is now only 318, and it's really highly appreciated. Okay, so let's go a new tab. I'm going from here, the new window, and let's search for a image. Let's call the AI images. Okay, AI images. These are basically the AI images, and here I can click on the images. I'm just showing you the way to generate the prompts from an image, but it's up to you. You can also, if you have any images that are in your hard drive, so definitely you can also get the prompts from the images. Okay, so if I go there, here you can see this image is so nice, and also I can research something else. I definitely would like to go with this image. This is a high quality image. Okay, let's download it. Just save these images and let's save as here. Okay, now the image is, you can see, yeah, this is the image, and this remains in my hard drive. Okay, let's close it and minimize it. Again, go to another tab. Now I can search from here, let's say images to prompt. Okay, just you can write the keywords here, images to prompt, and here you can see that there are so much and many other types of websites are here showing you that you can generate the prompts from this website after uploading the images. And now I will go with the replicate. So why replicate? So I am just sharing with you about my experience that I got so many useful keywords. I can generate the images, or I can regenerate the images from the prompts. So let's click here, image to text, and this is the replicate website. You can see this is the website's name, and now I have to search the options from here, the image to prompt. Then you can see after going down a while, you can see the option from here, image to prompt. Then click on this. For clicking on this, you can see this is the website, and I will put the link of the description of this video. You can definitely go and check it out. And here is the website, the https replicate.com/Matthews incorporation/image to prompt. Okay, and now just go downside and again drop a image, or you can take a photo with your webcam. You can also use webcam to capture the images of yourself or anything else. Okay, now I will go my desktop from here. Okay, again I have to search the image. This is the image, and here you can just drag and drop here, and the image you can see is already provided here, and just click on the run. And after clicking on the run, it will take some time to generate the prompts. Just you have to wait. Let's see. Okay, now you can see it has completed the section of run, and you can see it's active again. And the prompt is here: a woman with a futuristic helmet on her head and cyberpunk art by Android Jones, Behance contest winner, retro futurism, Behance HD, sci-fi and futuristic. If I go any of the prompt to image, the website or any if I go with any tools that provide us the prompt to image option, thus say you can go with Midjourney, you can go with Leonardo, you can go with Playground AI or whatever else, you can get the similar result of this image like this. You can get the similar results like this image. And I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot and learned a useful technique how to generate the prompts from an image. And if you like this video, then definitely it would worth to subscribe my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. You can go the Instagram from here. The name of my ID is designerdollar, or you can search from Instagram the Kazi Fawaz Ahmed, or how you like to search. This is my Instagram image, so definitely go and check this my account. I am regular on my Instagram account, or and you can also send me the friend request from Facebook. I am available at Facebook, Instagram, and you can tweet me on my Twitter account. And definitely don't forget to subscribe my channel Designer Dollar. So thank you so much. I hope you will be fine and stay blessed and keep smiling. Thank you so much.